Introducing CompacOnline. In this video, I will demonstrate to you how to manage the status of fuel tanks. To check the status of the fuel tanks, click Tanks in the left-hand menu. Here you'll see a list of all the tanks. You can adjust the number of items per page as shown. Please note, tank data is usually collected every 15 minutes. If you need an exact reading, you will need to wait to see what the reading is after the programmed data collection is complete. To manually add tank deliveries, click Sites in the left-hand menu. A list of all the sites will be displayed. Click on the relevant site to you. Scroll down to the tank section and click Tank Deliveries. Here, insert a date, time, and volume you want for the delivery. Once you're done, click Add Delivery. To generate a tank report, click Tanks under Reports. Select the type of report you want. Create a report name and fill in the rest of the details on the page. Once you're done, click Generate Report. You'll be redirected to the home page as the report link becomes available. Click the link to open up the report. Here are some examples of tank reports. Tank delivery reports display all shipments from a site. Tank inventory reports display the tanks linked to a site. The safe fill level is the maximum capacity of fuel deemed safe in the tank. Gross volume is the fuel currently in the tank without corrections. Ullage is the safe fill level less gross volume. Water height refers to the height of unwanted water in the tank. The product of the water height and the tank's base is not included in the gross volume. Dipped is the exact time at which gross volume was gauged. The virtual alarms signal the notification system if there is too much or too little fuel in the tank. Tank reconciliation reports show both daily and cumulative totals of tanks linked to a site. These totals can be used to ensure the correct amount of fuel is being dispensed. The opening and closing dips show the gross volume of fuel at the beginning and end of a day. The end of day dip is equivalent to the next day's opening dip. Sales shows the total amount of fuel sold in litres. Closing book is the opening dip less the sales for that day. Loss or gain is the closing dip less closing book. Percentage is loss or gain as a percentage of the sales.